Is your Kia Rio screen going black when you plug in for Apple CarPlay? Surprisingly, over 70% of these black screen issues are caused by nothing more than a worn-out or cheap charging cable. Let us walk through the simple troubleshooting steps to get your connection back. Start by clearing debris from your charging port and swapping to a high-quality, Apple-certified cable. If hardware is fine, look at software updates and your phone's privacy permissions for CarPlay. Sometimes the head unit just needs a hard reboot, which is usually done via a small pinhole reset button on the dash. Try these simple fixes before paying a dealership diagnostic fee for what might be a simple wiring issue. As you can see, the cost between a cable swap and a port module replacement is significant. If all else fails, remove the phone from the car's memory entirely and re-establish the connection from scratch. Keep a small kit in your glove box with these items to troubleshoot connection issues on the go. Always remember, don't rush to replace expensive hardware until you have tested at least 3 different cables in that port. If this helped you fix your connection, hit subscribe for more Kia troubleshooting tips.